Welcome back, garden enthusiasts. Today we're diving into two of the most refreshing and versatile plants you can grow right at home. Lauki, or bottle gourd, and mint. Whether you're after delicious summer recipes or fresh herbs to brighten your meals, these plants bring loads of flavor and nutrition. Stick around as we walk through everything you need, from planting to harvesting. Let's get growing! First off, why these two plants? Lauki is not only delicious in curries, soups, and even desserts, but it's also packed with vitamins and aids in hydration, making it perfect for hot weather. Mint, on the other hand, is a refreshing herb that elevates beverages, desserts, and so much more. Plus, both plants are relatively easy to grow, even in small spaces. Ready to get started? Lauki loves sunshine. Select a spot that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight. If you're growing in containers, make sure they're in a bright spot on your balcony, patio, or even a rooftop garden. Lauki thrives in well-draining, nutrient-rich soil. Mix in compost or aged manure to add fertility. A soil pH of around 6.5 to 7.5 is ideal. Ensure the soil is loose and aerated, as Lauki roots need space to grow. If you're starting from seeds, soak them overnight to improve germination. Sow them about 1 inch deep, 2 to 3 feet apart if you're growing more than one plant. If you're using seedlings, be gentle when transplanting, as young plants can be delicate. Lauki needs consistent moisture but avoid overwatering. Deep water twice a week or more often if it's especially hot. Mulching around the base helps retain moisture and keeps weeds away. Lauki vines can grow pretty long, so provide a sturdy trellis or vertical support. This will also keep the fruits off the ground, preventing rot and making them easier to harvest. Lauki is a heavy feeder. Add a balanced fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks to encourage healthy growth. Focus on nitrogen early on for foliage and switch to a potassium-rich feed as the plant starts to flower. Unlike Lauki, mint prefers a bit of shade and can even thrive indoors on a sunny windowsill. Mint grows well in partial sunlight, so pick a spot with morning sun and some afternoon shade. Mint is pretty forgiving with soil types, but it loves moisture-retaining soil that's rich in organic matter. Ensure it's well drained to avoid waterlogging, which mint dislikes. Mint grows best from cuttings, but you can start from seeds too. Plant them about 2 inches apart if growing in a container. If using cuttings, just bury the stem nodes under the soil, and you'll see roots within days. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not soggy. Mint is sensitive to dryness, so water it whenever the top inch of soil feels dry. Mint can take over garden beds. It spreads aggressively, so consider keeping it in a container or planting it in a spot where it can't overrun your other plants. Both Lauki and mint are susceptible to common pests. Look out for aphids, spider mites, and whiteflies. You can use a mild soapy water spray for small infestations, or neem oil as a natural pest repellent. For Lauki, watch for powdery mildew, a fungal disease that can spread fast. Prevent it with good air circulation and watering early in the day so leaves dry by evening. Lauki is ready for harvest in about 60 to 70 days. Pick them when they're tender and about 12 to 15 inches long. Harvesting Lauki early encourages more fruit production. Mint can be harvested as soon as it has enough leaves. For the best flavor, harvest in the morning by cutting stems just above the nodes. Regular harvesting actually promotes growth, so use your mint often. Here are a few quick tips to overcome common challenges. Overwatering. Lauki and mint both need consistent moisture but not soggy soil. Feel the soil before watering. Space management. Use vertical supports for Lauki and grow mint in containers to keep it contained. Companion planting. Consider growing mint near your Lauki to help deter pests with its strong aroma. And there you have it, a complete guide to growing Lauki and mint in your home garden. These two plants bring so much to your garden and kitchen, and with a little care you'll enjoy fresh harvests all season long. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Happy gardening and see you in the next video.